How to turn on or turn off automatically pop-up player on Twitch app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off the automatically pop-up player fast and easy. So first thing, go to Twitch. This is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go here to the top corner and click on your profile picture as you can see right here, and then go down to settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now on this page, make sure to click on preferences right here. After you click it on preferences, and down below you will find automatically pop out player. You can disable it or enable it from here, easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.